So we just discovered an old box filled with original, unopened Star Wars stuff. And we're going to unwrap it for you because apparently unboxing videos are the big new thing. Well, who's Star Wars? Oh, Boba Fett.
Boba Fett, right?
Yeah. He doesn't seem to do anything. Like, nothing shoots out of him.
Nothing.
That's all right.
He's just...
He just nothing on his back does anything? His little thing?
It doesn't seem like
Oh,
it.
okay.
Okay, next. We've already unwrapped these, by the way. Ooh, C-3PO. Original. Next.
Oh. This is one of those, like, puzzle games.
Oh,
What's
yeah.
the date on the newspaper? August 16th, 1998. Is the, it's approximately when...
What's that?
Oh, he's gonna fly, kind of, right? Does he lay kind of on that thing?
Huh.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
How, though?
Oh.
Lisa, you might need to figure this out.
We'll figure this one out.
Oh, unopened.
Original, unopened.
Not original.
Oh.
Oh.
Ben Kenobi.
I don't know when this is from. Probably when the first ones were re-released.
They all know how to, collectors know how to figure that out, don't they?
Yeah. Grand Moff Tarkin.
Yeah. Alright, next.
Oh.
Oops.
Is that
Slave
Leia?
Bikini
Bikini,
Leia.
yep.
Slave Leia.
King Leia. Oh my gosh. What's the sticker? Where'd you buy it from?
I have no idea.
Oh, it didn't say.
Oh, well,
It just had a
that's all right.
price. Okay, I was curious.
Boba Fett.
Unopened Boba Fett.
Unopened Yoda.
Yoda.
Unopened Han Solo.
Unopened Leia. Fighter Leia. Alright, let's get to a few more unwrappy things. Huh?
Surprise things.
Chewbacca Pez.
Oh yeah. Any Pez in it?
Good question.
Nope. Empty.
No Pez.
Yoda statue.
Yep.
Oh, we are keeping these.
Ooh. Look at that.
Glasses.
From Burger King. Probably from the original.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Wow. That's amazing. R2.
R2.
Luke.
Yep.
Nobody cares about poor Luke, right?
Oh.
C-3PO. Look at this. These look like all pups. Oh, wow. Lando.
Oh, that's who he was. I saw him on the
Next.
Big Bang.
Darth. Good old Darth.
And
Grand Moff.
I love how the back has like a whole description of each of the
Wow.
characters. Oh, Ewoks.
Looks like you have a set of 6, maybe?
There's still more coming.
Oh, there's still more. Oh, yeah.
Oh, this one's double wrapped. It must be especially good. C-3PO and R2. King really went to town with a number of different classes.
Yeah.
I know.
Because they're all different, aren't they?
Yeah.
Looks like you got each one of them.
Yeah, these are wrapped way too nice. My mom must have done this.
Oh.
Wow. Luke. What's this? Hold on, I can't quite get that. Darth Vader's head, everybody.
Oh, and then you turn it.
Oh, and then you turn it. Oh.
And it becomes Yoda.
Yeah, and I saw Yoda on my side.
And the last thing,
Darth Vader.
Darth Vader Pez.
Yes.
The end. Thanks for watching our insane Star Wars unboxing video, everyone.